A very good morning to all. I am Garima Saryan, your EVS teacher, and today we are continuing our chapter, that is Famous Travelers to India. So in the previous class of this chapter, we have studied about some famous travelers who came to India and who has written some books, some famous books in which they have written about what they have observed in India, about the culture, about the tradition, about the status of people, about the economy, etc. All the things they have written in their books. So we are continuing in this chapter and we will study about some more famous travelers now. So let's start. So today first famous traveler is Ibn Battuta. So Ibn Battuta came from Morocco to India and he visited India during the rule of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. When it was the rule of Muhammad bin Tughlaq in India, he visited here. And he recorded his observation in his book, which was Kitab-ul-Rihala. So he recorded all the things which he have observed, like the status of women, tradition, culture, everything what he has observed in India, he has written in his book, that was Kitab-ul-Rihala. So next traveler is Marco Polo. Marco Polo was a merchant traveler who came India from Italy, and he has visited southern India during the reign of Rudrama Devi under the Pandya dynasty, and he has written a lot of things about India in his book The Travels of Marco Polo. So Marco Polo was the first European who has given the detailed account of the countries from far east, including India. So next traveler is Vasco da Gama. So Vasco da Gama was the first Portuguese who came to India, and he has discovered the sea route to India from Europe. He has discovered the sea route, which was a great discovery because it has opened the vast area of trade. And it has also opened the vast area of exchange of cultures through the sea route between the Asia and Europe. A lot of books has written on him because of his contribution, because the contribution which he has gave of the discovery of sea route from Europe to India. So next famous traveler is Sir Thomas Roe. So Sir Thomas Roe was an English diplomat, and he had arrived India during the reign of Jahangir in 1665. He came to India during the reign of Mughal Emperor Jahangir, during the time of Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1615. So he came to seek protection for an English factory which was at Surat. And he has written a book which was Journal of the Mission to the Mughal Empire, in which he has written a lot of things about our country, India. He has written a lot of observations in his book, which was Journal of the Mission to the Mughal Empire. So students, in this chapter we have studied about a lot of famous travelers who came to India from different countries. And they have written something about India, like they have written some journals or diaries or some books which gives us a lot of information which help us to understand the things which happened in our country India, which happened in the past of our country India. So students, I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.